Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel. My name is Velvet and today I am just getting on my makeup. It's not really a get ready with me. I thought I would talk about some contouring. I've done it before, but I've been trying something a little new. And I actually never really contour until the winter time. I don't know why, I just don't feel the need to until then. So so that's what we're gonna do. And I have not primed my face, so we'll do that. I have liked the way this O.TWO hydrating face primer pore minimizing. It really does blur, but now it takes a few minutes for it to set down on your skin. Let me go ahead and get that one side of my hair out of the way. Use about that much. I'm just going to use the monitor for right now. I do have a camera, but I don't really, a mirror, I meant to say mirror. But I really just don't want to use it. Well, I got to, my hands and products. This is very slippery. Almost looks, can you see my hand, how shiny my hand is? Well, I know you can see it on my face. But I like it. It's just a little bit different than what I'm used to. It's got little gold flecks in it. And at first I didn't think I was going to like that. But I do. And it's O.TWO brand. I don't know if you can buy it on Amazon or not. I didn't look. I think that you can. I think they told me you can. I've talked to them back and forth a good bit. So I'm using the Cake Mix foundation from the Beauty Bakerie. It's in the shade 57. Pumps. That's my husband coming on. You can come in. That's my husband coming in. I really like the Beauty Bakerie the Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix foundation. I've had these brushes for a while and I keep going back and trying them, and then I don't know. Like, I washed this one on Friday. This is actually Monday. It still feels damp to me. I'm doing my eyeshadow last today. I don't know. I just went. It's just how I got started. Now this is a demi matte, which I'm finding is my favorite. Mattes don't work good on my dry skin, and I get a little too dewy on my own for a dewy foundation. Though I am not, what am I saying? I'm dry skin, I'm not oily skin. I'm going to use some pink there. I didn't use as much foundation as I normally do, and that's because I wanted to do some other things like this right here. I like this foundation by BH. It's not foundation. It's concealer by BH Cosmetics, but it's a big tube, but it don't have a lot in it. Alright, so I'm going to show you the new thing I've been doing with my contouring. So I use this little brush right here. It's a, It's an RT style. And then I use this color, obviously. And I start right here where you can see my natural. Go down to it. I'm bringing it under to about where my eye is. And then immediately, not immediately. Immediately. Do it immediately. But anyway, just then after, just straight down. What I'm doing is trying to make this look fuller and some of this look thinner. Now, I'm just going to let you see what I do to this side. I have a pink powder that I use just to brighten up. Sometimes I use it under my eyes, and I may do that today. I feel like I'm sunk in today. I don't know what that's all about. This is the color of the powder. I don't know if you can tell that it's pink. Pink just works better with my, now my translucent powder is, I think says medium. But for my stuff like this, put this down now. I'm not really baking. It kind of looks that way, but I'm going to fluff it away pretty quick. And that just makes that line sharper, and then but makes this line a little bit more blurred. And I just use this little brush to do it. Make sure I'm in the right area. So what do y'all think about that? You might have a different opinion when I get my blush on. Or not blush, but my bronzer, which is Super Stay Better Than Skin. It's in the medium beige. When I tell you it is an exact dupe for the Chocolate Soleil milk chocolate, it is, and it's a lot cheaper. I got that. I wanted some Too Faced. Yeah, I'm like that. I shouldn't be at 52, but I wanted something from Too Faced, and that's what I got. I was scared to try their eyeshadow. I already have sensitive eyes, and since they have all their stuff smells, I thought the milk chocolate would be better. Now, I don't take this all the way around my head because I have a short forehead, and then, you know, I let my hair go. But I do this. And plus, people don't normally have, I mean, I think that started to help people who have, you know, 5 head, or I was ugly, but have a high forehead, and so then it just become the norm. But normally people don't have, their forehead is not darker than the rest of their face. It just isn't. Or that could be because I'm from the South and I wear a cap a lot. But I've just never seen anybody's forehead get that kind of brown. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this is the medium, what does it say? Medium Moten, which I guess means medium in some other language. And it's the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect. It is this, probably old as the hills, I don't know. But it's not white translucent. And I actually have some white RCMA. It's awkward to use in that big old bottle. So I use about that much. You can see it's not white. It's fairly brown, but I don't think it browns me up any. And then I just do this. Okay, so I think I picked out, this is from Sace Lady. You can get it on, I think you can get it on Amazon and AliExpress, but I just love the color. But it's very drying, so I'm going to put this clear. I feel like it'll be clear on top of it. This is by LA Colors. It kind of looks like a lipstick, and I really like this lip gloss. It might not be enough lip for me, y'all know I like dark lips. What do you think about that? So I'm so light, even though I think this is so pretty. It may not do for me, but like I said, it's drying and it hasn't dried down yet. I don't know if I should wait for it to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put this lip gloss on. This lip gloss looks like it's very pink, but I've never noticed it to be. Oh, it is going to be on this. I mean, I put this in my lip. I put this in my purse as regular lip gloss, so you know you don't have to pay attention to the color. I might not do that anymore. That's I like that. There we go. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeshadow, and I'll be back and we'll talk about the new technique that I got from Brianna Fox. So let me get my eyes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I got on my shadow. I got on my eyebrows. I didn't put on any I put on mascara. That's all I put on. And it was the burgundy, which I love. I think if you were my skin coloring, burgundy is, and your eyes are small like mine, that burgundy is the color. I mean, that's just my opinion. But tell me what you think about the how I contoured here. Tell me what you think. Like I said, I got it from Brianna Fox. I like the way she did her makeup, and so I have tried to copy it a few times. I think I've finally got it perfected. Y'all let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which I think is, I always thought this stuff was on the left, but I'm pretty sure it's on the right. So make sure about that. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. That helps more than you can know. Give me a comment and share it if you thought it was good enough, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.